Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download Grammarly for your desktop. So open this URL grammarly.com/desktop. Then here click on download Grammarly. Once you visit this URL grammarly.com/desktop, so you will see this page. Then click on download Grammarly. Now just follow these three steps. First one, find the Grammarly installer in your downloads folder. After the file is downloaded, double click to open it. Then follow the steps to install Grammarly to your computer. So as we can see, it's downloading. So double click on it to open it. Now here, sign up for free if you have already account. So sign in to exiting account. So this way you can download and install Grammarly for your desktop. Thanks for watching.